Hi friends, and welcome back. Happy Friday, last day of the week and our last lesson for the week. One more workbook page. Today we did lesson 15 together, so you're gonna need your workbook, you're gonna need a pencil, and today you're gonna need 5 crayons. So make sure you really take your time and pause the video at a spot where you can see all of these colors to make sure you gather them all. Today we need red, purple, black, orange, and yellow. I'm gonna ask you to pause the video now in order to gather your materials. These are the 5 crayons you need. When you're ready, friends, my first rule. If you take a close look, I have so many beautiful flowers there. You're gonna make a mark on every flower yellow. Make a mark on all of the flowers yellow. Here's your next coloring rule. You're gonna make a mark on all of the dogs black. Yellow flowers, black dogs. My last coloring rule, and again, if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so. My last coloring rule is for the chairs. This front porch is filled with different kinds of chairs. Some of them have missing parts. Some of the legs are missing. Remember, you always want to trace first in pencil, and then this is a color choice one. You can color those chairs any color you would like, but remember, all of the chairs have to be the same color, but that choice is yours, what color you want to make them. Yellow flowers, black dogs, and free choice of color of all of those chairs. Down at the bottom, friends. Again, as always, if you need to pause the video, even if I don't say it, please make sure that you do it in order to follow those directions. Down at the bottom, we talked about the parts of a rake. The tool she has in her hand is called a rake, and we have some coloring rules for the 2 parts of the rake. The first one is for the handle. You're gonna make a mark on the handle black. The second rule is for that missing part. It's also the tricky one that kiddos often forget. Those are the prongs of the rake. That's what actually helps to gather up all of those leaves. Remember, you want to trace first in pencil, and then you're gonna make a mark on the prongs orange. Try not to color it so dark that we can't see it anymore, the tracing. So just a light mark with your orange crayon. For both the top picture and the bottom picture, I would love to see you color that whole scene, but remember, you must color the rules. You may color the rest of the picture. If you need to pause the video in order to get caught up on anything, go ahead and do so. For those that are ready, on the back, we've been talking about the different parts of the house. I'm gonna say these rules 2 times. The first time you should make a mark as I say them. The second time should just be to double check yourself, okay? To make sure you didn't miss any. So here's my first rule. You're gonna make a mark on the roof yellow. Yellow roof. Your next coloring rule is for your orange crayon. You're gonna make a mark on the door, orange. Next up are the walls. And we've got walls in the front and you've got walls on the side, okay? It's everything all around you. You're gonna make a mark on the walls, black. The next one is for your missing part. Your window is the part that is missing. Remember, trace first in pencil, and then you're gonna make a mark on the window, purple. Purple window. So I'm gonna go through one last time to make sure you got all of those rules. Yellow roof, orange door, black walls, purple window. Down at the bottom, I've got one last picture and one last class to practice. If you take a look, I see a whole bunch of tools scattered about there. If it helps you do work, it's a tool. You are gonna make a mark on all of your tools, purple tools. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so now. We have one last rule, and it is for your clothing. One of the examples of your clothing is a coat. Remember, the sleeve is what is missing. Trace first in pencil, and then you're gonna make a mark on any clothing that you see, even our little raccoon friend down here. If you can wear it, it's clothing, and you're gonna make a mark on all of your clothing red. Purple tools, red clothing. As just the same on the front, the rules are must-dos. The rest of the scene is a may-do. Boys and girls, thank you so much for a wonderful week. Our last workbook for the week. It has been a great week, so thank you so much, and enjoy your weekend. Until next time, bye-bye.